Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can changing your video sound from mono sound into your stereo sound. So let's open the Premiere Pro first. So in case for example there is a project in here and your project is a mono output that come out from your video, so you can make it stereo by go to the effects here. Try to search the sound effect or the audio effect, sorry, here, and try to click on spatial. Here we go. You can fill left with right or fill right with left. Here, if your video or your projects, the sound output come for your left speaker, you can use this one. Fill left with right and vice versa, fill right with left. So the output of your project will be stereo. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.